Hey, what's up, YouTube guys? I'm Jamal Newton. I'm an owner of two Dodge Chargers. I have a 2011 Dodge Charger V6, and I have a 2012 Dodge Charger RT with the V8 with the Hemi. Today I'm just making a video about, me driving and the problems that's occurring while I'm driving. I have a video that I recorded while I was driving, and it's showing all kind of electrical malfunctions while I'm driving. Even my steering wheel locked up while driving. A safety hazard. I don't know what caused it, what made it happen. Right now I'm sitting in my car, I'm sweating. I need roadside assistance as I speak. I also have my keys in hand, and just to show you that my keys are in hand, and you need your key in your vehicle to start your vehicle. As you see, my keys are still in hand. I'm sitting inside my vehicle at the time of this video recording, and I'm gonna show you that my car is not responding to my key. Keys in hand, brake is held, push to start. Nothing happened. So, also with the 2011 Dodge Charger, I had the same problem. My car would not start or react to my key being in my vehicle because of electrical malfunctions, which is starting to rain now, and this really is a problem. Like, I can't let my windows up during the rain, so everything in my vehicle is gonna get wet. I made it safe to the location that I'm at now. I'm just so frustrated to the point to, like, I'm just about to say I'm done with Dodge. I don't want another Dodge vehicle if I gotta deal with problems as the problems I'm dealing with now. So I'm about to show you the video of me driving while I'm driving, and how my car lights start going off, malfunctioning lights start going off and on. My speedometer, it's jumping from 0 to 60 throughout the video as I record. My heating gauge is jumping, everything is starting to flash and blank. My radio even goes out while I'm driving. Safety hazard, because I'm trying to focus on my car not starting, or I'm having an accident because I'm worried about what's going on with the vehicle. And it sounded as if the car wanted to explode on me. I don't know if you're gonna hear it in the video, but it sounded as if the car was knocking, making some kind of noise. The AC also went out. So I'm gonna show you the video and show you the problems that I have. If anyone have any info about what the problem could be or what the problem might be, please comment on this video. Thanks. I don't know what's going on. My speedometer not working. My AB thing done popped on. My TV going out. My brake light done popped on. I don't know what's going on with my car or whatever, but I'm just recording this to show you at Dodge that, like, my electrical system is totally just malfunctioning right now. I hope my car don't, stop on me while I'm driving, or something happened to me real bad because of this. But I know I'm going about 55, and when I smash the gas, that's when my speed once enough for a day or so. It stopped. But now it happened again. So I'm recording this video to show all the people that driving the Dodge Charger 2011 on up that your vehicle will malfunction on it will malfunction. Like now I'm going about 45, 50 miles per hour. My AC won't work. My screen is going out. My ABS, my entire brake system light is on. My signal light is working completely. And now my screen is going out and I can't really see anything. I hope I'll be able to just coast my way to where I'm going. But it don't feel like I am. Oh, please, Lord. Please, Lord. Please, Lord. Now all my gauges is cutting up. Please, Lord, hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. It's like my car is malfunctioning real bad. It's like it's malfunctioning real bad. It's shaking and everything. It's malfunctioning. It sounds like it want to kill. Oh, Lord. Please, Lord, turn green, Lord.